Hello, I'm Michael Kahn from Kahn Solar. I'm a residential solar developer, installer, contractor in the Los Angeles area. I've been doing solar in the Los Angeles area, exclusively photovoltaics since 2000, which makes me, if not the oldest, probably nearly the oldest solar installer in that area. I feel like the oldest sometimes. And so I've been doing nothing but solar for the last 17 years. We specialize in custom installations, large installations, rooftop, ground mount, not afraid of any kind of a complicated custom type installation. That's what we do.